we have 6 and 4 over 7 divided by 1 and 5 over 3. So first, we're going to convert this mixed number into a improper fraction. So first, copy lang natin yung denominator na 7. We multiply 6 times 7, that is 42. If we simplify 42 divide 7, that is simply 6. Tapos, add lang natin yung 4 over 7. We add 42 plus 4, that is 46. Then, copy lang yung denominator na 7. So, we have 46 over 7. Then, next, we have mixed number. We have 1 and 5 over 3. Copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. We multiply 1 times 3, that is 3. Tapos, add lang natin yung 5 over 3. Then, we add 3 plus 5, that is 8. Tapos, copy lang yung denominator na 3. So, we have 8 over 3. Then, we can now divide 46 over 7, divide 8 over 3. So, first, copy lang natin yung 46 over 7. Then, we change division sign into a multiplication sign. Tapos, flip lang natin yung fraction natin. So, ang 3, ipataas. Tapos, yung 8, ilagay natin sa baba. So, we have 3 over 8. Then, we simplify 46 times 3, that is 138. And 7 times 8, that is 56. So, 138 over 56 is divisible by 2. So, we divide by 2. So, that is 138 divide 2, that is 69. Tapos, 56 divide 2, that is 28. So, for this fraction, this is not divisible. So, we convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So, 69 divide 28, that is 2 point something. Disregard lang yung decimal. Consider lang yung whole number na 2. Then, we multiply 2 times 56. So, to make our fraction, we subtract 69 minus 56, that is 13. Tapos, we copy the denominator na 28. For this improper fraction, ito yung kanyang mixed number. We have 2 and 13 over 28. So, for this example, our answer is 2 and 13 over 28.